Jordan Belfort is a young stockbroker who joins a Wall Street stock brokerage firm and quickly learns the tricks of the trade to make big money in the stock market. Soon, he founded his own company, Stratton Oakmont, which quickly became famous for its high-pressure sales techniques and stock price manipulation. As his wealth increased, Jordan's life became increasingly extravagant and indulgent, including lavish parties and expensive hobbies. However, with the company's success came problems. Jordan and his team began taking large amounts of drugs and conducting illegal transactions, attracting the attention of law enforcement agencies. The FBI began an investigation into him, which eventually led to the arrest of Jordan and many of his colleagues. The climax of the film is Jordan's trial in court, where he is ultimately sentenced to prison. Although he served only a few years in prison, his career and personal life were in tatters, and Jordan was released from prison and restarting his life, giving lectures and teaching sales techniques.